How to report Facebook account. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can report a Facebook account. So go ahead and open your Facebook app. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the web browser. So I've already logged in the account I want to be reporting, guys. This is the account. Just to make the video short for you guys, you can go ahead and follow the same step on both Android and iOS. So you can go ahead and do this, and you can use the application as well. So just click on the three dots showing just beside the person's account. So just go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, click on where it says find support or reports. So click on that. So when you click on that, guys, you're going to go ahead and you are going to, so when you click on that, guy, you're going to go ahead and click on why you are reporting the account. If it's something else that you want to share with Facebook, you can go ahead and click on that. If the person is pretending to be someone that he is not, just go ahead and click on that. So if it's pretending to be you, you can go ahead and click on that. If it's pretending to be someone, you can go ahead and click on that, or a celebrity, you can just go ahead and do that. Search for the celebrity and you can go ahead and report the person. If it's about something else, you can just go ahead and do that. So this is how you can report someone on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next